Every lead you don't follow up with fast is money walking right out the door. Most leads go cold within an hour. So today I am going to show you how to follow up with every single lead automatically in about 15 minutes with no code. Stick around to the end and I will give you the exact template, free. Let's start with the real problem, because I know you've felt this one. A new lead finds you at 9 at night. They're excited, they fill out your form, and then nothing happens. You're asleep, you're with your family, you're with another client. And here's the hard truth. Most leads go cold within the very first hour. By the time you reply the next afternoon, that excitement is gone. And very often they've already booked with whoever answered first. So speed isn't a nice little bonus. Speed is the whole game. Let me put a number on it. If you get just 20 leads a month and you lose even a quarter of them to slow follow-up, that could be thousands of dollars walking out the door every single month. Not because you did anything wrong, just because you're human and you can't be awake 24 hours a day. Now here's the good news. You do not need to hire someone to sit and watch your inbox all night. You just need one simple automation that goes to work the moment a new lead comes in. Here's the whole system on one screen. Everything starts with a single trigger, a new lead filling out your form. The second that happens, 3 things fire on their own. Their information gets saved. A warm thank you email goes out, and 2 days later, a gentle nudge follows up. 1 trigger, 3 actions, and 0 work from you. Let's walk through why each piece matters. The save step sounds boring, but it's the foundation. When every lead lands in one organized place automatically, you stop losing people in a messy inbox, and you can see your whole pipeline at a glance. That one change alone catches sales you didn't even know you were missing. The instant email is the piece that actually wins the deal. Think about how it feels to be the customer. You reach out to 3 businesses. 2 of them get back to you tomorrow. 1 replies in 15 seconds with a warm, helpful message. Who do you trust? Who do you book? That instant reply makes you look responsive, professional, and right on top of it, even while you are fast asleep. And the 2-day nudge is the quiet moneymaker. Most sales aren't lost because the price was wrong. They're lost because nobody followed up a second time. Everyone just got busy and forgot. This little reminder never forgets. It politely circles back and pulls in the people who meant to reply and never did. And this isn't just for one kind of business. If you're in real estate, it catches every buyer who asks about a listing at midnight. If you run a med spa or a dental office, it books the consult before they call the place down the street. If you're a coach or a consultant, it makes you look established from the very first message. Same simple system, just your words inside it. Here's the part I love. Once this is built, it runs completely on its own. A lead comes in at 2 in the morning, and by the time you wake up, they've already been saved, already been thanked, and already feel taken care of. You didn't touch a thing. Imagine that running every single day for every single lead, month after month, without you lifting a finger. That is the real difference between chasing leads and having a system that catches them for you. You set it up one time and it just keeps working. And that's really the big idea behind all of this. You don't need to work more hours. You need a few simple systems that quietly work the hours you can't. So that is it. One simple automation that follows up with every lead instantly, forever. If you want this exact template free, just comment the word automate and I will send it to you. And follow for 1 easy automation a week. I am Cindy with Advanced AI Automation. See you in the next one.